He'll grab it and start scrolling.
Right now, I like it. Yeah, we have a couple lists better. I go back and forth. So I got lists.
I mean, and I also have had it. Yeah. And I've got because I realized that I basically directed you to sit next to me, and now I'm going to take my mask off. All right. Is that the equivalent? Yeah. that nature you put on it.
It's working over the same.
It's working.
Yay!
It sounds good.
Hi.
I'm so excited. I just mastered technology.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I just took over the world with my phone. It's exciting.
I have not mastered technology for years.
Wow. I just did.
I gotta go. So we're up and running on Zoom.
We are running on Zoom, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Mrs. Murphy's Facebook page, I think.
Wow.
I am there too. See?
I got notifications.
And through my phone. So it sounds good.
How do you want to play them? Swinging or not swinging? Like the record? I love it. I hate that so much. Really? I do, yeah. I always think, I don't know, I want it to be swingy. I want hornpipes to sound like bells all going around. That's what I want them all to sound like.
I really came to the Midwest, so I just like.
Right, Joe Burke doesn't play swinging.
Well, I always thought that people who play swinging, because that's the way that I get them.
I'm fine with that.
Until I came here. And everyone's playing, everyone here plays it, except for Martin. Yeah.
So let's say you're going.
I don't know. What should we do? All right, you pick it.
Like,
What we
Thank
There's bouncy, there's difference between that and like Java, you know? It's like,
But it still wasn't the way Patty I could play really go without that. It was more like set dancing, like I could play for set dancing. Yeah.
And I went back on the shredding practice.
Oh, yeah. And part of it's just the pipes. And also banjo, it's hard to get that.
well, you know what gets it though? It was, and it was the first time I really had ever heard it. It was Sean Gas. On the pipes.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine.
He gets those rhythms.
Swinging.
Well, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even call it swinging, but you know, functionally swinging actually. He gets those like little rhythms, and he's able to get the dynamics to create the rhythm in a way that's very, because the pipes, everything is so, with the pipes, it's all, because you have to keep everything consistent for, by the instrument's very nature. And so it's super hard to get those dynamic aspects of the rhythm. He was able to do it, and I was
He does the
over on the pipes. I don't think I've ever heard him play the pipes ever.
I'll send you. So I never sent you. There's a bootleg of my brother. They play those two bootlegs.
Okay.
And it's like it's Virgo, like Sunday. Two stories in
Reels? There's sort of reels. It's taking off.
Perfect.
So GC.
No, I can walk out
That made you happy. I haven't seen you with that dark hair. I guess I saw pictures of you. Right before you guys went on the tour, right? You did that?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like being in? Is that your net? Which, I don't forget what your,
It's like light brown.
okay. That's fine.
Yeah, I like it.
Awesome.
And I have very slow.
What other jigs do you play, James, besides keep Now we do the Bobby guy set that we won't go to the same jam.
Just
Do,
relax.
this would take, high road to Penny and Stack of Gardens.
Let's do, we'll play to catch into something.
So like, what if we do the Morrison, it's so great.
All right, sure.
Oh, no, what is it?
No lyrics out at all. Like, I couldn't.
of very. Vermont. That's okay, Annika. Annika, do you know Evelyn?
How are you doing?
It's Evelyn. Annika. Evelyn's in college now. When's the last time she was your age?
Ah, I see.
Yes.
Oh,
I heard you. Yes. I don't think I did. Yes. Yeah, there's a lot of play.
they actually they developed and it's for
Like an intercepting, like breathable.
so
I suck. I suck. I know. I'm 6 hours.
Yeah, it's gonna take like 50 hours.
I don't have good excuse for this. You have coffee. You have correctly and everything. Probably not. Charlie, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Everything that I get, everything that I Yeah, so this is actually right out of the book. Yeah, all right, Dan.
This is these are so much.
What do you want to do?
I wonder if something you want to do.
Let's do all Joe's.
All right,
Original line was like all of them attached to
and then. And then what's the one? What's the third one? All right. Good luck. You guys ready? All right, what's the lead?
Am I starting it?
You're
You
starting.
are, in fact, indeed. it's easy, yeah, it's easy to.
Both kind of lie.
Exactly. It's easy to push on it.
It's called Old Joe's Jig.
There are more things than that.
The second one is called, the second one is called Old Tipperary. The third one is called
And it's comfortable.
The Wheels of the World. World.
Right, unless you approach it from a different. Right, so, if you think about
Good job, Monica.
You still got another 10 minutes.
Yes.
Not 9 a.m.
This is Jesse's.
That was over 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jesse.
Your phone is messed up.
Something special, all right. Focus, what you know?
Sorry.
I know.
You know the ones that just sound like.
Let's do the.
Oh, so here.
Let's do the. They don't know what that is? No. You don't know Silicon Valley Desmond?
They don't.
I'm gonna put that in your notes.
Your head.
Your notes,
Yeah.
put it in it. No, your notes are here.
I'm not gonna remember it, I'm sorry. Just like how Mr. Shaw never remembers.
That's why I'm telling you to put it in your notes. I'm getting ahead of that. I recognize that you're not gonna remember that.
I don't know, do you want me to write on my hand?
I always want you to bring a notebook. And that's actually true. To class, you should just always bring one.
Okay, I'll
Not,
figure
don't worry
it out.
about it now, but
I'll figure out if I have an extra notebook.
let's do. Come here.
All right.
Yeah, it's right here.
1, 2, 1, 2, here we go.
everyone knows it.
Why have you taught it to every generation of
I haven't,
students in
never.
the last decade?
I haven't. No,
Mr.
because
Jesse,
this
your
generation.
hand was moving so fast.
What's that?
Your hand was moving so fast.
I have homework to do when I get home. My social studies teacher gave us all in my class my project.
Being able to hear it and then also hear it.
I'm told, and I have until Thursday to finish it.
There it is.
I will. You've already told everyone that over 40 times.
I really need a Corey catch me for once.
For once.
Yeah, he always forgets to send recording. He
Just
says
look it
he'll
up
send
on
it, he never
thesession.org.
sends it. No, but then I learn it. If he wants me to learn it, he can do it. But I can't do that without a recording.
All right, now, I don't know. Are we? Is there any one more thing we can play? What would the thing be?
I don't know.
How about? Yeah? Remember it?
Yeah.
Let's play it. Put it in the butterfly.
Play a happy or you play a flippy?
I don't know. Happy. Okay, so the process
all the things he screenshotted to bring today. So.
Well, they just wear out.
Yeah. I have
Those tunes were from the Buffy band, and the Kesha recording. Is it the flower? I just told everyone on Facebook that it was the Buffy band one.
It's the last tune was the last, we
Is
just
it the
played,
flower or the flock?
played most of
It was the Swaggering Dreamer. The flower, the flock, and the famous guy.
and it goes to that.
Ta-da!
The Swaggering Jay. Yeah, they call it the Give Us a Drink of Water, but it's the wrong title. It's the Swaggering.
That was extremely hard to play on the mandolin.
Yeah. Sciatica. You guys want to move a little bit closer? Now that these kids are leaving?
This is a 1 hour mark. Most of us leave after the first time.
Did you hear back from today?
I haven't talked to him.
So it's colder than the last one, right? So I was asking about his adjustments, he could just send us a text.
Oh, yeah.
You mentioned, yeah, it's
It's like his last, when I said to him, because he said, okay, it's in February, and like,
Especially you're on like
definitely
going up and down.
definitely not till after. Outside.
When I was a kid, I could see like it was just keeping the rhythm.
So then, wait, oh, well, that sounds.
oh, Amy, I didn't see his wife.
So when I said that, then he was like, oh, well, that sounds. So I just need to, does that sound better?
Bye, guys.
Like as a teenager, but actually I've done some very long time.
Can of water, please.
This is like I'm trying to get into playing something as an adult. I never play guitar before. So like this is
Don't do that.
my dad gave me
Look, it's our team doing it. All right, JT.
yeah, great.
It's cool, right?
It is, yeah, it's
Sounds like a Patty Patty meal. Here we are. All right, Dan, since you're somebody,
Is there
you don't
somebody?
say that often.
Somebody.
Since you're somebody,
Oh, boy.
yeah, you guys could.
They're easily abused, I think.
Ever since
You're in charge of the next thing.
Illinois passed those cannabis
That's a
laws.
lot like
Yeah,
That's what it is.
it is, yeah.
and that's like, all this knotted cord in my head.
All right, Dan, over to you.
I think you're right.
Let's do the Knox's Mary Bergen's Grill.
Sure.
I like those.
No, I'll use this one.
How long is it?
Oh no, it's 9 people. good conversation with her yesterday, Mary. We picked a date in March. Mary Bergenberry. Oh. She was telling me all about Ireland. They just opened up. No curfews, no masks, no nothing. Yeah. It's like, okay, it's been 2 years. They got like 80% of people vaccinated.
It's
Or
about
90.
time. Well, they also had a huge.
This is the hugest vaccination.
I heard they're still
in
wearing
Europe.
masks in stores and stuff,
Oh yeah.
but not in bars.
Yeah, she was looking forward to it. There was this thing, I was asking her about Shauna Rita, that documentary she was telling me all about Shauna Rita. And then she was telling me there's a thing called The Flourishing. Have you guys seen that? There's a thing they did about all these people that were there at the sort of beginning of the Irish folk traditional musicians becoming famous kind of thing. So like they interview her and they have her play Patty Blacken and Andy Irvin and Paul Brady and Donald Lundy and all those people from that era. It was cool. She was telling me all about that. They're getting honorary PhDs from UCD. Yeah. Crap like that. It was cool.
There's a joke about honorary PhDs. It's something like some giant donor for Harvard said they give this guy gives Harvard millions of dollars every few years or whatever. So he has this horse, racing horse that's done really well for him. He's attached to, so he tells Harvard. So stipulation attached to my next gift of $5 million is you have to give an honorary degree to my horse. So the dean is making the presentation about the honorary degree for the horse in front of all of the students and everybody at graduation. He starts by saying, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time that we've given an honorary degree to an entire horse.
You gotta wait a while for.
I promise it was funny.
right, Evelyn. What should we do?
What?
You can play a solo if you want, or you can play some stuff from our glorious past, or whatever you want. Stuff that's something we can hear you play.
Phrasing themselves.
This has been a long time.
Very intuitive into movements. Yeah, no, you definitely shouldn't do stuff like
that. G A E Bears Island, and then D, and then D.
Cool.
I'm tired.
Was that a thing you played it during the tour?
What?
Or was that just a thing you?
I just put those together. The first two we played on tour.
Okay, cool. Sounded awesome sauce.
On tour?
Do you play any
What have I
tunes?
missed?
What's the
Jesse
tune
and
you
I
play
just
at
got
the
back
gig?
from a Christmas tour for 3 weeks.
Marty Pope.
Oh gosh, I saw it online. You guys are all over the place.
Yeah, we were in California and Arizona.
That
So it was
All right, cool.
That is awesome.
All right. What's the speed? Could we handle that speed? One more time. Do another one. Good job.
What kind of mandolin is that?
I don't know what brand it is. It says, my dad gave it to me and it says from probably the 70s.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You guys know each other?
We do now.
Oh, you do now. Okay. You look like an actor. Like all this whole session, I'm like, he looks like some famous actor that's freaking me out.
I
So
think that's a good thing.
to avoid that, what's your actual name?
Paul.
Paul. Okay, good. I'm sorry. Yeah. That's James, Jesse. I'm like, why is that famous actor over there whose name I don't know?
But his name is Paul.
Whoever was the guy sitting over here, he commented that my case was really small, so I was like
All right, James. Who?
I don't know. It's the only one I've-
Reaving.
The Kalia. That's really fast, James.
Wouldn't hurt.
Hey.
Yeah, it's your fault.
Excuse me, how?
Corey!
How did we get here?
That was Corey's fault. No, Royce is always playing. I played it.
No.
With like Dennis, that one sort of towards the end.
Yeah.
I don't
Wait,
know.
no, I don't think it's on there. I'm sure it's not. You're thinking of Exile Aaron is on there.
I don't know how. Maybe it's
course.
just my brother.
Could be.
Philip?
Yeah, Martin, that doesn't strike me as very Martin Hayes.
Okay, after buzzing in, can you come up to the 5th floor, 5A and knock, please?
You're not there at all. You're here.
Sorry.
It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Okay, I'm gonna put you like, what are you gonna go through a portal?
Buzzing them in, it says delivery.
Oh my gosh.
But they gotta get it. Hopefully Kathy's still at home. Yeah, when we first in the building, we were in Chile, and my phone rang, and it was like a FedEx delivery guy. And they're like, oh yeah, okay, let me buzz you in. Sure, phones can do anything. Right, Carrie?
Right now it's broadcasting to the world. They can call your phone.
Stop playing the killer so fast.
Like,
What was that? Let me talk to Corey.
after securing it, so now
Speaking of Corey, what tunes should we play? What tunes would you like to play?
anything. So like,
Yeah.
Oh, the Bronze the Slide, sure.
but eventually, like, if it just kind of and if I was on the side of it,
And then, hey, Tommy, after that, we'll play the McCarthy's after that.
Phoenix feel it was
Otherwise, it was like such a block.
Speaking of seasons, did you watch The Last Expanse?
Yes.
Can you tell me what kind of tune that was?
What did you think about it? They never really followed up on that one. That's the planet where the native.
Well, so it's interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Different things.
It's also kind of
But it was cool.
yeah. Well, yeah.
No, it was cool that she brought back the weird
I really grew to like that show. Although I didn't like so
But eighth notes in this
but maybe that was good. And I loved all the rest of the characters. I really liked that.
yes, it should be. So one of the things I love about your drum that I hate about my drum is that you'll have noticed that sometimes it's like tighter, and it's not doing me any favors like the black have a tool. Yeah, well, so it's like an Allen key. And, I don't actually think I got one with it. This is the schools. So this belongs to the school. Well, I will. Yeah, so I had Tom Picard ready. There is, I don't know.
Okay.
I asked Sean and I didn't really get a straight answer out of him yet.
So what?
I was getting one of these for 26.
Oh, did you ask me?
Yeah.
Well, I did. We kind of got derailed by.
You said, does he make it? I said, I don't know.
Yeah. Well, and then you also said a bunch of other stuff about
I'm happy.
how happy you were. Yeah. So I didn't want to push that line of inquiry very
What's a type of tune? We're almost done, so we need to have some maximum wallet. Colleen, is there a set of tunes that we haven't really asked you to there yet? Huh? Which one? Oh yeah.
last one. met Sean, right?
That's summer.
It's gonna be hard to
Yeah,
remember.
a couple times. I've seen you a couple other times here last week. Yep. Good job, everybody. You're gonna hang out and eat.
Yeah, for the moment. I mean, I don't have one here for sure. But the feelers are out. We're going to see if we can't talk to another resident or expert and
Say goodbye to the.
see if there's any kicking around. And
Bye, Internet.
Bye, Internet.